In this video we explain how to manage a collection in the GraphicTool. The collection shows all products that you have previously selected under the tab Selection. In the drop-down menu you can select laser engraving, label printing and color printing. In the second drop-down menu you filter by Unprocessed and Processed. Since no product has been processed at this stage, filtering does not make sense in this moment. The three products we earlier selected are listed with the respective article number. Discover the functions of the three icons by using mouse over. The functions are Edit, Duplicate and Delete. When duplicating, a new article will be added in the collection directly next to the original product. By clicking on the delete function, the article will be removed. At the bottom of the page, you can see the text Welcome and for registration. The registration is required if you want to assign a processed product to a project. The registration process is required to continue with the ordering process of the inscripted products.